How to apply for blue verification checkmark on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for verification checkmark on Instagram. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. Now, if you want to apply for verification, there are some certain criteria, there are some guidelines. You need to be a public figure or a personal figure as well, or maybe you could be representing a brand. You just need to confirm your authenticity, and Instagram is going to take that into account. They're going to verify your authenticity, and if they realize that you're not an authentic person, they are going to discard your verification application. So before we start this video, you just want to keep that in mind, because I'm going to keep straight things forward. Now what you want to do is go ahead and then open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, you want to come to your profile page, and then from the top right hand side, tap on the three lines, and then you want to go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll find all those options, but you want to go to the tab called account. Once you go to account, scroll down, and here you'll find the option labeled as request verification. So all you have to do is tap on the request verification button, and as I said earlier, on this page also you'll be able to see certain type of criteria. So it says verified accounts have the blue ticks next to the name. The very first thing you want to do is to simply enter and confirm your authenticity, which means to first enter your username and then your full name. You want to actually enter your document type, such as Instagram accepts driving license, passport, national identification card, tax filing, or recent utility bill or articles of incorporation. You need to have either one of these documents with you. And after that, you have to confirm your notability, which means your category on which you're actually famous, or you represent a personal figure or a public figure. You could select your country or region. This all needs to be authentic, and fake applications are simply not going to work. You're only going to increase your chances of getting your account banned. Select your audience, which is optional, and you can select the links to actually let Instagram know that you're the official person trying to verify your account and not some kind of dummy fake account. After that, you can also simply come to the link tree and then tap on the submit button. Instagram is going to take note of these things. They're going to get back to you whether or not you're eligible for a verification check mark, but I recommend you to not actually apply for verification as long as you think that you do not represent authenticity and personal brands and so on. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.